Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, February 29th. I was looking for a stronger close this week and we almost had that. We had a market that was rallying, getting near that 4,300 in the NASDAQ market, but it failed to hold on to it as we went into the weekend. It does show some uncertainty and lack of confidence as we go into the weekend. The week was positive, but just puts a little chink in the armor, and I think we need to pay some attention to that on Monday. We also have some meetings going on around the world that can have an impact on this, so people are taking some profits as we go into that weekend. The issue is, are we going to see continued selling? I have my doubts about that, but we'll find out on Monday. But the euro did break lower, and in this market, the difference between it also traded 2 ticks above that bullish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market, the magnitude change, is $875. I do not look for a dramatic move down, but I look for consistent selling pressure in that currency. The Aussie dollar also traded below its bearish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $300 a contract. And again, I do look for continued selling pressure to the downside, just like I do here in the British pound. Here it traded above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $1,156.25. Here I still look for that downward pressure. In other words, a stronger dollar across the board, except for Canada, actually. Well, 10-year notes. I like this. Yesterday I mentioned this did not make sense, or maybe that was in the advanced video, but anyways, this is the right kind of behavior. I like this. Now, Monday and Tuesday of next week is going to be important to see if we get that follow through to the downside, because that is what I'm looking for. Gold, I was looking for basically an unchanged type day. That's what we have going on here. I'm looking for more of the same on Monday, if not lower prices for the gold market. In crude oil, again, I made an attempt at a rally, but no paper behind it as this market backed off. I don't look for a dramatic move down, but I do look for downward pressure as sellers continue on Monday. And then soybeans. If you look at South America, it's looking pretty good in terms of beans, corn, and some of their crops. So continued downward pressure to be expected, and I'm also looking for that to continue on Monday. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, take care.